Hello everyone, we are here in Cologne at CaT, Concept and Training, with Richard. Hi Richard.
Hi.
And we are going to ask Richard some questions about the ILIAS International Conference. What do you think, Richard, about this ILIAS International Conference, which will be in Bologna and live again after this pandemic period?
So basically we are some community accustomed to virtual classrooms and stuff, so it worked very well through the pandemic actually. But I think like having a community and learning always has to do something to connect with, something to do with connecting with people, and that works online, but it works much better in person. And I think Bologna in Italy is a special place to get connected again with the community.
And Richard, what do you expect from this next ILIAS International Conference?
Yeah, I expect to see some people again that I have not seen for quite some time. So basically, I have a lot to do with people who are actually involved in developing ILIAS, but there are also many users and administrators and people that are not involved in the day-to-day work in the community, and these are people that I expect to see on the ILIAS conference and to get in touch with their requirements and problems again.
And why do you think it is important to participate?
So everyone can just download software from the internet and put it on a server, and if you do that you will get some benefit from it, but actually something like an open source community lives by talking to other people, by getting to know their problems, their approaches, and this is something that just don't works by just downloading a software. It works by talking to each other, and this is why it's important to join the conference and also other meetings from the community.
Last but not least, Richard, about the topics, the themes that will be in the ILIAS conference this year, there is one that is closer to you?
I think for me the topic Back to the Future is the most relevant at the moment, because after the pandemic everyone is so excited about online stuff and digital stuff. And for learning, I don't think that everything just works online, so it's important to just assess which approaches work and which don't work, and be a little more down to earth after this online-only time.
Thank you, Richard. Then just can tell you, come to the ILIAS conference, participate. There will be a great community, and you will find all the answers to your questions about learning and ILIAS LMS. See you at the conference.